relation to a criminal trial, for example, of someone who's accused of rape.
Sure.
And where a termination was permitted by this panel or whatever.
Yeah.
How is that presented in evidence?
Well, that's another one. I had mentioned that very briefly in the paper. It's something, again, on which the legislation, I think, would have to address as to whether, in what circumstances, or indeed in any circumstances, it might be permitted to mention in the course of the criminal trial that an abortion had taken place. Because, in a criminal trial under the Constitution, the first and foremost consideration is fairness to the accused. Article 38 of the Constitution says that nobody charged with a criminal offence shall be tried other than in due course of law. So the primary concern of a criminal trial under our Constitution is to provide fairness to the accused. Now, other people have rights too, but the accused is front and centre, and therefore the legislation would have to be drawn up in such a way that it didn't jeopardise the person's right to a fair trial by, for example, introducing information that could be unduly prejudicial to the accused. So all I can say is it's another factor that would have to be taken into account if this kind of legislation were being introduced.